back to my channel. Let's learn some interesting facts about sharks. Are you ready? Sharks are fish. There are more than 520 shark species in the world. The average lifespan of a shark is 20 to 30 years. Sharks do not have any bones. Sharks constantly shed their teeth and grow new ones. "97% of all sharks are harmless to humans due to their size and teeth. Sharks in some form have been around for over 400 million years. Fossils have been found to show that they have roamed our seas since before the dinosaurs and have not changed all that much since then. Great white sharks are at the top of the food chain. This means that no other animals eat them. They play an important role in the health of marine ecosystems. By eating fish and seabirds, they maintain the delicately balanced ecosystems that keep our oceans healthy. Sharks have an extra sense that humans don't: the ability to detect electrical fields, which help them to locate any muscular movement easily. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching. Enjoy, like it, and don't forget to subscribe.